problem solved. Put the key in, turn 1, 2, like that. If you do hear, you may hear like a sound. That is just the fuel pump, I believe. That means the fuel pump is working fine, and you can give it one more shot. Right, and if that's not working, what you can do, right, is use the other method. You got your key in. Hold on, I'm gonna have to make this quick. Right, the foot pedal is down there, or the gas pedal. Put the gas pedal right down, foot down. Click on number 2, and honestly, there you go. And then you can now do off your business. Right, all done. Honestly,